Hello Chuck, I'm Roger here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Hey, I got your text message the other day. I hope you're having a good time in South America. So instead of just sending you some pictures, I'm going to do a video of your incredibly good looking brand new silver Sprinter van. So here in the front you can tell, you can see your fog lights here right away. And I know you were questioning like the safety of the vehicle and stuff, so you can see the safety sensors here in the front bumper all the way across. And then your 360 camera, check this out. That's where one of your cameras are, right there underneath the star. Gives you great front visibility. And I'm going to display that to you when we get in the van. So around here, the other part to that 360 camera, you got cameras on the exterior mirrors as well. And then we went with the painted black wheels for you. Looks really nice. With your Sprinter, we get a nice, really nice side view of your whole van. Great color too that you picked out, Chuck. Looks great. And then I know you're a tall gentleman, so with the high roof, you'll be able to stand up in here. Lots of room to move around to do your work. We got the hardwood floor with the anti-slip coating for you. And then we'll come around here to the back of the van. So I am going to display your camera for you. So you got the beautiful backup camera just above the third brake light as well. Nice step for easy access in and out of the van. And your doors will latch in place right there at 90 degrees. And nice rugged step to get in and out. And also your doors will open up 270. Gives you lots of space here in the back. Both doors open wide open for you. Always got to close the driver's side door, rear door first, and then your passenger side. Then we're going to come around here to the driver's side. I'm going to show you where the fuel filler is on your new van. So you open your driver's door. Your fuel filler is right here. Takes 87 octane gasoline, 24.5 gallon fuel tank. You got the nice leatherette seats where you have really long legs too, Chuck. Check this out. You got a nice leg extender, lower lumbar support right here for your back. After the end of a hard working day, you can adjust your seat. You got your electrical controls right here for your seat. For forward, backward, you can tilt your seat. There's 5 adjustments. Your heated seat switch is right here. So now, Chuck, we're going to hop in the inside of the van. I'm going to go over some of the nice features in there with you. All right, Chuck, so we're sitting here in the cab of your brand new 144 wheelbase high roof silver Sprinter van. I'm going to start out right here in the dash. You got your wireless charging pad for your cell phone. We have a connection right here, USB port for Apple CarPlay, so you can get all of your apps up on this really nice display screen right here. I'm going to go over some of the features in here too with you. So you got your navigation right here. And we compare your cell phone, 2 cell phones here actually. We got your radio set up right here, AM FM radio. We have a media center here. You can connect your phone to this section right here and play your music from your cell phone. We have an info center right here, consumption. You'll be able to keep track of your fuel economy. Right now it's only got 10 miles on the van, so it hasn't recorded an accurate fuel economy just yet. We have an app store. Vehicle settings too, really nice. Your ESP, stability control. You have your parking assist. That's where the sensors in the front rear bumpers come in. You got your 360 camera. I want to display that for you right now. So you can see all the way around the van right here. And then if you decide to put a trailer hitch on, because the van is pre-wired for a trailer hitch, you'll be able to line up your drawbar. Nice wide angle rear view. We got a beautiful blind spot. You can see down either side of the van. Nice front angle and a wide angle front view. So the camera is very useful. Here on your steering wheel too, you can hang your phone up right here and answer it. Also, you can use this button right here to display your screen. There's a little mouse pad on here. And then on the left hand side, same thing, you can control your instrument panel. And your cruise control buttons right here. Nice steering wheel, just a really comfortable work van for you, Chuck. So after you get this video, please feel free to shoot me a text. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, Chuck, my name's Roger. My cell number is 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.